Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Xbox Series X Vertical Pro Guide step by step clearly. Begin by finding a suitable location for your Xbox Series X. Ensure the surface is stable and can support the console's weight. Check that there is ample ventilation around the unit. Avoid placing it in enclosed spaces like cabinets. Unbox the Xbox Series X carefully, making sure to keep all packaging materials. Locate the vertical stand included in the box. Attach the stand to the console by aligning it with the grooves on the base. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Set the console upright on the stand. Ensure that it is balanced and secure. Connect the power cable to the rear of the Xbox. Plug the other end of the power cable into a wall outlet or surge protector. Next, find the HDMI cable in the box. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the Xbox. Plug the other end into your TV or monitor's HDMI input. Turn on your TV or monitor and select the appropriate HDMI source. Now press the Xbox button on your controller or the console to power it on. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your Xbox Series X. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi for software updates and online features. Complete the initial setup by signing in or creating a new Microsoft account. Once setup is complete, navigate to the Settings menu. Check for any available system updates to ensure optimal performance. Adjust your display settings for the best picture quality. Finally, customize your preferences for audio and accessibility. Enjoy your gaming experience with your Xbox Series X set up vertically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.